this chapter, special products and factorization, we have already done some applications of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and in the last video we have done some applications related to a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So today's video is going to be about the fourth objective, that is applications of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So let's get started. So students, here we have the formula that we are going to use in average sum, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, right? Now the first question is factorize a square minus 4. Now we will rewrite the statement here, a square minus 4. Now first of all, you will see that today we are going to discuss about this formula, a square minus b square. Now if you will compare this statement with this formula, so this is in the form of a square, but the second one is not in the form of b square. That means we have to make it in this form, right? So now 4 is there. So what is the perfect square of 4? That is 2. So if you will square 2, you will get 4, right? Now here you will have a square minus 2 square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, right? Which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now the value of a is what? A, and value of b is what? 2, right? Now which is equals to a plus b, that is a plus 2, and a minus b, that means a minus 2, right? Now move to the next example, that is factorize 36 minus b square. Now again we had to see that 36 is the square of which number? That is 6, right? So 6 square we will have minus b square, which is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now the value of a is equals to 6 and value of b is equals to b. So here we will have 6 square minus b square is equals to 6 plus b according to a plus b, and according to a minus b it will be equals to 6 minus b. Alright. Now one thing, we have to put equals to sign in every single step, right? Now move to the next example, that is example number 3, m square n square minus 81. Now m square and n square, so we can take the square common out, that is mn whole square, minus 81 is a square of 9, so we will write here 9 square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b, where the value of a is equals to mn and value of b is equals to 9. So we will have a plus b, that is mn plus 9, and a minus b, that is mn minus 9, right? So I think it's quite easy. So now move to the next example. So now we will have the fourth example, factorize 9x square minus 16y square. So students, now here we are having the two terms in this expression where 9x square is there and 16y square is there. Now what to do? We have to find the square of both these terms, right? So square of 9 is what? 3, and square of x is what? X. So we will write them in a bracket, that is 3x whole square minus square of 16 is 4, square of y is what? Y, right? So when you will square 3 you will get 9, and when you will square 4 you will get 16, right? So we will have 4y whole square, right? And here 3x whole square, which is in the form of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, where the value of a is equals to 3x and value of b is equals to 4y. Now put them in this formula, that is a plus b into a minus b, 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y, right? Move to the next example, that is 25p square minus 16q square. Now 25 is the perfect square of 5. So when you will square 5, so you will get 25. When you will square p, you will get p square. So 5p whole square minus 16. So you will have square of 4, that is 16. So when you will square 4, you will get 16. And when you will square q, you will get q square. So you will have 4q whole square, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now apply this formula over here where the values of a is equals to 5p and value of b is equals to 4q. Now you will have a plus b, that is 5p plus 4q, and a minus b, which is equals to 5p minus 4q. Alright. So now students, we will have the next example, that is factorize x square minus 1 upon x square. Right? We will rewrite the statement here. So now this is in the form of a square minus b square, right, is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now when you will square x, you will get x square. So you will write here x bracket square minus 1, square of 1 is 1 and square of x is what? X square. So you will have 1 upon x whole square, right? Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So value of a is equals to x and value of b is equals to 1 upon x. Alright. Now which is equals to a plus b, that is x plus 1 upon x, and a minus b, that is x minus 1 upon x. Alright. So students, today we have learned how can we use this formula, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, while solving different questions. Right. So I hope all of you have understood this clearly, and now all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.